Hello everybody, my name is Mark and I'm 7 years old. And this is a police car and a hot glove. This small car is most of the expensive toy car in the whole world. And if you buy the police car, you'll be able to free this car. And who wants to buy it? We don't need to cost any coin. No. Yes, zero.
Buy the police car, get the public car. One. Oh yeah. Harry, what is that? Pick up.
Two.
24. How about you? 24 coins now. Any higher price? How many coins have you got? 12. You cannot get higher than that. 24. Okay. 24. Going once, going twice, and so to Henry. Henry, let's go. Well, congratulations. You have got 2 big new toys.
No, this is all old.
Okay. Like new for Henry. Okay, let's take a picture. Look at the camera, please.